So these are all my mentees. So they have to discuss about the one of the concept Blinkit in the form of design thinking concept. So in our institution we have to be follow the design thinking stages, that is empathy, define, prototype, testing, and these are all the process we have to be follow in our institution. So they have to taken the one of the problem statement. So in that problem statement they have to taken the empathy part, and we have to define and what is the solution they have to be find out based on these 5 stages. So they have to discuss about these topics.
So Blinkit is a leading quick platform. So it earlier was named as a Grofus. After that they rebranded as a Blinkit. So in earlier days, people go to the physical store, spend time and selecting the items and stand on a queue. So even though the online platforms like Big Baskets and Amazons take 1 or 2 days to deliver, but Blinkit understand the customer situations and they deliver within a minute. So Blinkit use a design thinking concept step by step, and they introduce their app.
So basically we used a design thinking concept. As well as my previous peers talk about that Blinkit, that's the major component why we choose in the design thinking concept, because the design thinking is a concept of empathize, define, ideate, prototype, test. This is the best example and concept to work on us. So when we work with us, we actual Blinkit app is for a social purpose to use all the peoples. Empathize what will think. The first condition is about all about the users only. So users benefits whatever, we will take that and work on it. After that we will define the solution for that, define and ideate. So the basic solution we can get it from the online app is when the customer is accessing the app, it should be work without bugging and without any collision during the online transaction or any scrolling of what product customers want to try. So design thinking is well suited for this, and also we tested a prototype, already we submitted prototype models to our heads. So first they will check that, after only we get permitted to execute that. And testing not only is going to occur in between us, it's also testing with all the users. Example, we just tested with our students only nowadays. For after completing execute, we will give that to all the customers and will upload it in any Apple store, something like that. So in briefly we will see by my colleagues.
Empathy. In the empathy stage, we see the real life problems of the customers. Blinkit users closely observe the different types of users like college students and family members and elderly people. They are very unable to go to shop and buy the things quickly. So Blinkit is used to make things, when we order in online, it comes in 5 to 10 minutes gap. Remaining apps are gives to more time delays they are occurred. So for example, a person coming to home after the late work, he saw that some things he saw, so it is not available. So then going for a shop to buy, and in the line it's a so time delay. So when we use the Blinkit app, it is much easier and better.
So after collecting all the insights, Blinkit gives some of the solution. They did not say we need to sell all groceries. Instead, it framed it properly. Customers need a way to get essential items such as that without effort. But they also define the problems such as falling further. Delivery time is too long in existing platform, but in Blinkit it is different. Customers need small quantities, not in bulk orders. Next, availability must be consistent. Convenience should be maximum. So the final problem solution for this problem is that how can we deliver everyday essentials customers within minutes instead of hours or days. This clear problem, the solution for this clear problem will be explained by our teammates.
Next comes the ideate stage. Some possible ideas include fast delivery, partnering with local shops, improving logistic speed, reducing product range. The dark store model. Dark store are small warehouse located inside the cities. These stores are not open to customers. Why it is important? Because distance matters.
So I conclude this by saying that Blinkit is successful not just because of its technology,
but they understood what are the need of the people. Just because they understand the need of the people, they do understand. They do not follow the method of how fast the delivery should be, but what are all the process we need to take for the delivery to done in faster manner. So this is how it is worked used on based on design thinking.
So in this, my mentees, they have to discuss about the one of the problem statement. So from that problem statement, they have to be find out the one of the solution. So this will be save the time and total savings of that particular persons. So these are all has to be done, and the DT stages will be used for our problem statement identification and find out the solution easily. Thank you.